This short video will show you how to submit your thesis or major research project to Open Research, OCAD University's institutional repository. Open Research is a digital archive that preserves and disseminates scholarly, intellectual, and creative work generated by OCAD University's faculty, staff, and graduate students. Theses and MRPs deposited in Open Research are archived, indexed to major search engines and databases, and mapped to the Library and Archives Canada Theses Canada portal. Submission is a requirement of graduation. Open Research is located at openresearch.ocadu.ca. To begin, click the Login link on the top left and sign in using your OCADU credentials. To begin the process, click Manage Deposits followed by New Item. Indicate the item type, then click Next. Click the Choose File button to upload. You may upload as many files as you like, but files such as datasets cannot be archived in the Library and Archives Canada Theses Canada portal. Upload your thesis or MRP using the file name convention last name, given name, year, degree, program acronym, and thesis or MRP, all separated by underscores. For example, if Tom Thompson defended a Master of Design thesis in 2016 in the Digital Futures program, the file name would look like this: Thompson_Tom_2016_MDES_DIGF. For each file uploaded, there are content and access options such as setting embargoes, which is a period of time during which your thesis or MRP would not be made public. If you wish to place an embargo on your thesis, you will first need to apply with the Office of Graduate Studies for approval. Note that fields with a star next to them are required. If you are unsure about a field, click the question mark icon for more information. In the Creative Commons license section, set the terms under which others may use parts of your thesis or MRP in their own work, from the most restrictive, attribution, non-commercial, no derivatives, to the most open, attribution. If you have any questions about licenses, contact us at repository@ocadu.ca or gradstudies@ocadu.ca. You may upload as many files as you like by returning to the Choose File button, and if there are images, video, audio, or other documents related to your thesis or MRP, upload them here. We encourage you to upload as many accompanying materials as possible to highlight the visual aspects of your work. Once you are finished uploading files, proceed to the Details page by clicking Next. Fill out the appropriate fields such as title and abstract. Note the following. Under Creators, it's a good idea to include your email address along with your name. Doing so does not mean your email will be listed in the record, but rather it will provide a unique identifier for you as an author in the system. Division refers to faculty, department, or research team associated with your thesis or MRP. If more than one of these applies, select multiple divisions by holding down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. Under Publication Details, status should be unpublished. The date type should be completion. If you are not required to undergo the REB approval process, select Not Applicable. Uncontrolled keywords. Uncontrolled keywords are natural language terms that you can add to reflect the content of your item. We recommend that you add keywords to help searchers discover your paper. Consider which words people might type into a search engine to try to find your work via Google or a database search. And for references, cut and paste the list of works cited. Now complete the process by clicking the Deposit Item Now button. Be sure to read and understand the OCAD University Research Repository non-exclusive license agreement as you're agreeing to its terms through making this deposit. Note that your deposited item will not be live until it's checked by an editor. Need help? For technical issues related to Open Research, contact the Scholarly Communications team at repository@ocadu.ca. For questions regarding the formatting of your thesis or MRP, the applicable guidelines and dates, or the final submission process, please email gradstudies@ocadu.ca. This concludes a short video on depositing your thesis or MRP.